This content is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not professional advice, whether technical, legal, or financial. Viewers should do their own research before making decisions related to vehicles, batteries, or emerging technologies. Results and performance may vary depending on conditions, manufacturing choices, and future developments. The content in this video is based on publicly available information, industry reports, and ongoing discussions within the electric vehicle sector. What if I told you that a battery component costing only a few dollars could help unlock the future of affordable electric vehicles? No special tools, no professional required, just a simple idea that could change how millions of people think about EVs. And according to growing discussions around Tesla's next generation technology, that idea may be hiding inside what could become one of the most important electric cars ever built. Most people assume that building a cheaper electric vehicle requires cutting features, reducing quality, or making sacrifices. But what if the real breakthrough isn't visible from the outside at all? What if the biggest change is buried deep inside the battery pack, where most drivers never look? Stay with us, because what may be hiding inside the rumored 2026 Tesla Model 2 has sparked enormous interest across the EV industry. Before we begin, welcome to Future EV Insider, where we explore the technology shaping the future of transportation. If you enjoy learning about electric vehicles, battery innovation, and emerging technology, consider subscribing and joining our growing community. For years, affordable electric cars have faced one major obstacle: battery cost. Traditional battery packs represent one of the most expensive parts of any EV. In many cases, manufacturers spend thousands of dollars on battery systems alone. Engineers across the world have been searching for ways to reduce costs while maintaining useful driving range, safety, and reliability. That challenge has created a fascinating race among automakers. Some companies focus on larger factories. Others focus on new materials. Some invest billions into advanced chemistry research. Yet the most interesting solutions often come from simplifying existing technology rather than reinventing everything from scratch. This is where discussions surrounding Tesla's future compact vehicle become especially interesting. For years, industry observers have speculated about a smaller, more affordable Tesla. Often referred to as the Model 2 by enthusiasts, the vehicle has been linked to Tesla's long-term goal of making electric transportation accessible to a much larger audience. While specific details continue to evolve, analysts frequently point toward battery innovation as the key factor that could make such a vehicle possible. The surprising part is that many experts believe the future may not depend entirely on exotic materials or expensive breakthroughs. Instead, it may involve refining manufacturing methods, optimizing chemistry, and simplifying production. That sounds less exciting than a futuristic science fiction breakthrough. But history shows that some of the biggest technological revolutions happen exactly this way. Think back to the early days of automobiles. Cars were once luxury products available only to a small number of buyers. Manufacturing was slow, expensive, and inefficient. Then production methods improved. Costs fell. Vehicles became available to ordinary families. The transformation changed society. The electric vehicle industry may be approaching a similar moment. Many battery researchers have spent years studying how to make cells cheaper, safer, and easier to produce. One area receiving significant attention involves reducing dependence on costly materials while maintaining practical performance. Another involves designing battery packs that require fewer components and less manufacturing complexity. The idea sounds simple: fewer parts, less waste, lower costs, greater efficiency. But implementing that idea at industrial scale is incredibly difficult. According to numerous industry discussions, Tesla has invested heavily in manufacturing innovations that focus not only on battery chemistry, but also on how batteries are assembled. The company has repeatedly emphasized production efficiency as a major factor in lowering costs. This often overlooked approach rarely receives the same attention as flashy announcements about range or acceleration. Yet manufacturing improvements can have enormous consequences. Imagine building 1 million products. If each product saves only a few dollars during production, the total savings become massive. That principle has shaped industries for generations. Some analysts believe future battery systems may increasingly rely on materials and designs that offer a balance between cost, durability, and energy storage. While premium vehicles may continue using highly specialized solutions, affordable vehicles often benefit from technologies optimized for scale. This brings us to a question many people are asking. What exactly could be hiding inside a future low-cost Tesla battery? The answer may not be one dramatic invention. It may be several small improvements working together: a more efficient manufacturing process, simplified battery architecture, improved thermal management, refined chemistry, smarter software. Each improvement may appear modest on its own. Combined together, however, they can produce significant results. The science behind battery performance is surprisingly straightforward at a basic level. Batteries store energy through chemical processes that allow charged particles to move between materials. Engineers continuously look for ways to improve this process while minimizing cost, heat generation, and degradation over time. Every battery design involves trade-offs: higher energy density, longer lifespan, lower cost, faster charging, improved safety. Optimizing one area often affects another. That is why battery development remains one of the most challenging engineering fields in the world. Environmental conditions also play an important role. Heat, cold temperatures, charging habits, and usage patterns can influence performance. Engineers, therefore, focus not only on chemistry, but also on systems that regulate temperature and protect battery health. Many consumers never think about these details. They simply want an EV that works reliably, charges conveniently, and remains affordable. Meeting those expectations requires solving countless engineering problems behind the scenes. Interestingly, some of the most effective solutions are not widely discussed outside technical circles. Manufacturing efficiency, supply chain optimization, and component integration rarely generate headlines. Yet these factors can significantly influence vehicle pricing. This creates an important economic reality. Expensive solutions often exist because advanced technology requires enormous research, testing, and manufacturing investments. Companies must recover those costs while continuing to fund future development. That does not mean lower-cost alternatives are inferior. In many cases, they simply reflect different design priorities. A premium sports car and an affordable commuter vehicle serve different purposes. The same principle applies to batteries. Engineers frequently select technologies based on intended use cases rather than chasing a single universal solution. If reports about future affordable Tesla vehicles prove accurate, the company may be attempting to balance cost, range, safety, and manufacturability in a way that appeals to a much larger market. For consumers, that could represent a significant milestone. For the broader industry, it could create additional competition. And competition often accelerates innovation. If you want to evaluate battery claims as new information emerges, there are several simple steps anyone can follow. First, look beyond headlines. Sensational claims often focus on a single number while ignoring important context. Second, compare multiple sources. Different analysts may interpret the same information differently. Third, examine manufacturing considerations. A technology that works in a laboratory may face challenges during large-scale production. Fourth, consider long-term durability. Performance over many years can be just as important as initial specifications. Fifth, pay attention to charging infrastructure and overall ownership experience rather than focusing only on battery chemistry. These simple steps can help consumers better understand future announcements and avoid unrealistic expectations. Real-world observations from EV owners also provide valuable insight. Many drivers report that practical factors such as charging convenience, software updates, operating costs, and reliability often influence satisfaction more than raw performance numbers alone. That perspective is sometimes overlooked during major product announcements. Technology is important, but usability matters too. Throughout history, successful innovations often combine technical advancement with accessibility. The internet became widespread because it became easier to use. Smartphones transformed communication because they became convenient and affordable. Electric vehicles may follow a similar path. As costs decrease and technology improves, adoption becomes easier for more people. Whether the future Model 2 ultimately matches current expectations remains to be seen. Product plans can evolve, specifications can change, market conditions can influence development. However, the broader trend toward lower-cost, more efficient electric vehicles appears increasingly important across the industry. The bigger lesson extends beyond Tesla. Many breakthroughs arrive not through dramatic discoveries, but through continuous improvement. Small efficiencies, incremental refinements, smarter manufacturing, better integration. Over time, these changes can reshape entire industries. That pattern appears repeatedly throughout technological history. The most powerful innovations are not always the most visible. Sometimes, the real story is hidden beneath the surface. Inside a battery pack, inside a factory process, inside an engineering decision most people never notice. And yet, those unseen choices can influence products used by millions around the world. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder. This content is for educational and informational purposes only. It should not be considered technical, legal, financial, or professional advice. There is no guarantee that any reported specifications, timelines, or future developments will occur exactly as discussed. Viewers should verify information independently, conduct their own research, and exercise appropriate caution when evaluating new technologies. Any decisions related to vehicles, investments, or emerging technologies remain the responsibility of the individual. If this helped you understand something new, consider sharing it with others who might find it useful. Discussions about future technology become more valuable when more people understand the ideas behind the headlines. And if you enjoy exploring electric vehicles, battery breakthroughs, and the innovations shaping tomorrow's transportation, subscribe for more educational content. Subscribe to Future EV Insider for more future technology stories. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.